Okay, so we have our Alexa technology here that we've designed with Amazon. So really what we're trying to accomplish with this is showing how the voice-activated technology can work in a consumer's home, but doing it in a retail setting, doing it in the retail environment. So obviously a lot of the challenges when you're dealing with this type of technology, you're dealing with Wi-Fi connectivity and setup issues. So we wanted to eliminate all of that. So really this is a plug-and-play system. You quite literally just have to plug this unit in to the wall and it's ready to go. So there is no Wi-Fi setup, there is no configuration or anything like that. Basically what we've done is we've taken the GE Monogram video that has Alexa incorporated into it, and I'll play it for you in a second here. But you're going to see there's an actor that's on the screen, and that actor is talking to Alexa. When Alexa answers, the voice actually comes out of the Alexa unit here. You'll see the light swirl will work on the top here as well. So again, as the actor is interacting with the Alexa unit, it is absolutely simulating the true interaction that you would have in your home. Then lastly, this is a mock-up of your double oven. Obviously the intention will be to use the true oven inside of here, but in this mock-up, you'll see in the video some lights turn on. When those lights turn on the oven, lights will come on this as well. So again, if this was a true example or a true oven, we would try to, or we would want to reverse engineer your oven so that we could control it as well. So again, you're really simulating how the unit responds to voice activation and control. So we'll go ahead and push the button here and we'll go through that video.
Alexa, ask Geneva to preheat the oven for turkey.
You'd like me to set your upper oven to convection roast at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for a turkey, right?
Yes.
Got it. I recommend adjusting your oven racks so that the turkey will be centered in the oven. If you have an oven, Food Pro, this is a great time to use it.
Oh, that is a good idea. Thank you.
So again, that's completely ready to set up. Again, all you would have to do is just plug this in, and in this example, we were really mimicking what was in the video. But if a video was talking about something else, where maybe the oven temperature was changing after someone was telling it to increase the temperature or decrease the temperature, again, if we had the true unit or the true appliance in here, we would look to create that exact same type of functionality. So. Really, if your device has that voice technology included in it, we would look to emulate, simulate whatever that experience is that you're trying to create.